Hey everyone, this is my first video from the video series for iOS 14 on iPhones. I'll be showing you some cool new features of the new iOS. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add custom widgets like the one you see on the top. This is from the App Store and this will give you a different style of widgets if you don't like the default ones. The widget app is called Color Widgets and you can find it on the App Store and it'll show you the time, date and your battery. And once it has downloaded, open it and you can see there are wide selections of widgets which you can use to customize your home area. They have different fonts, different colors, and you can tap on them and customize them a bit. So as an example, I'll tap on a widget and tap on Edit Widget. Now here you can customize the background color, theme, font. You can even add your own custom background. Once you're happy with the changes, we'll then press Set Widgets. Now you'll see the widget which you've customized in the Active section at the top of the app. Press the Home button and let's go ahead and set the widget which we have customized. Long press anywhere on the screen where there is an empty space. Tap on the plus sign at the top of the screen. For some models, it'll be on the left hand side. Your color widget should appear in the list, but if you don't find it, then just scroll down and find Color Widgets. Tap on it. Then it'll show you the active widgets for the Color Widget app. Swipe on the widget and choose what style of layout you want to add. Then press Add Widgets. It will then add the widget to the top of the screen. You can move it anywhere around the screen if you long press and move it up and down. Press the Home button once you're happy with the location of that widget. And there you go, that is how to add custom widget like color widgets on your iPhone screen. If you found this useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a nice day.